Hello and welcome to lovegardening.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make leaf mould. Now leaf mould is something that you can make for free out of leaves of deciduous trees. So at this time of year in early autumn you'll start to see all the leaves fall off your deciduous trees and cover the lawn like this, and there is something wonderful we can make out of them. The first thing you need to do is to rake the leaves all together. I like to rake them into a big long pile. Now I've got a decent sized pile, it's time for the next stage. Now you could, if you wanted to, rake these up into piles like this and just simply bag them up, but I've got an idea that will speed up the whole process, giving me leaf mould an awful lot quicker. And what I'm going to do is use the mower. So you can see now that the mower has sucked up all the leaves, but it's also done another great thing, it's chopped them up. So you can see in the box here that the leaves have all been chopped up, so they're much smaller, and that's brilliant because what it's going to do is it's really going to speed up the decomposition of the leaves and give me leaf mould an awful lot quicker. Now you could, if you wanted to, make a chicken wire basket, if you like, to house all these in. If you've got space in the garden where you can put something like that maybe near your compost bins. But another way to do it is to fill black bin liners with them, and I've got one here. And it's simply a matter of emptying Okay, so there we go. Now, because it's damp out here today, I won't add any more water, but you can, if your leaves are really dry, having them nice and damp will again help speed things up. But these are quite wet, so I'm going to leave them like that. I'm also going to put in a shovelful of garden soil because it's full of wonderful bacteria and things like that. Bacteria and fungus especially, that's going to help break down and decompose these leaves an awful lot quicker. Now apparently urine does the same. Not that I've tried it personally, but you know, they say don't knock things till you've tried it. So it might be worth mixing a bit of your urine with water if the leaves do dry out, and that will apparently speed things up. But like I said, I haven't tried it, but you know, it's worth a shot, isn't it? It's not going to cost anything. I'm not going to do that today, but I am going to add a couple of spadefuls of garden soil. Okay, so I'm just going to sprinkle that in the top, give it a bit of a mix, and then I'm going to tie the bag and squeeze out most of the air. Now the reason that I like using bags like this is because you can hide them anywhere. You can stick them behind the garage or under a established hedge where no one will see them. And they take up very little space. So now that the air has been squeezed out, I'm going to stab some air holes in and around the bag. And it really is as easy as that. Now, every couple of weeks, if you remember, it's not the end of the world if you don't, I will take the bags and just give them a really good shake and shuffle around. And again, that will help just speed things along. If you don't do that, all it means is that the process will take a lot longer. But if you do that every couple of weeks and you make sure that the bags are damp, so you could just take the hose pipe to them, they've got little holes in, give them a good watering if it's been a dry couple of weeks, and that will really kind of move things along really swiftly. I mean that you could possibly have leaf mould to use in 6 months. If you don't remember to do that, they will still decay and compost down, and it will take possibly a year to even 18 months to do. But once it's all ready, it will look all beautiful and brown and crumbly, and you can use it as a mulch. It is a brilliant soil improver and soil conditioner. The worms will take it down. It's brilliant at improving clay soil, and it's really good at mixing with compost if you want to sow seeds and things in the greenhouse next year. So it's an all-round wonderful free garden product. Now if you want to see any more how-to videos, visit lovegardening.com, and if you've got any ideas for garden videos that you want to see, do get in touch with our media team. Bye.